Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be explaining Canvas and you'll be learning how to use it. Okay, so what is Canvas? Canvas is an LMS. This stands for Learning Management System, and it's basically the website where you'll find all the lessons and homework for our online class. First, I'll review how to log into Canvas, so where to find it, and then I'll show you how to use it. I recommend pausing the video and taking notes if this helps you. First, open a web browser like Google Chrome and go to the Palomar College website, www.palomar.edu. Go to the home page. On the home page, you'll find a link to Canvas. So this takes you to the online classes. Click Log into Canvas. The username is your full email. And this is your Palomar email. For example, jdoe1234@student.palomar.edu. And you'll also enter the password, and this is the same password you use for my Palomar. I'm an employee, so my username is different, but remember yours is the Palomar email. If you're not sure, you can ask your teacher. You'll be taken to the single sign-on portal, and you'll see different cards with different services at the college, maybe the library or scholarship opportunities and the health services. Also, Comet Connect. If you need a laptop or internet, you can apply for free technology here. Okay, I'm going to enter Canvas. The first thing you'll see is the dashboard, and this has the classes. So these cards are each of your classes. So here I have 6 classes, but maybe you have 1 or 2 or 3. If you don't see this, click on the menu and choose Card View. Click on the card for the class you want to enter. And you'll see something like this. This is the home page. This has all the information about the class. An introduction, maybe a welcome video, information about our in-person or Zoom meetings. The modules. The modules are the lesson for each week. For the first week of classes, begin with the orientation and getting help so that you learn how to use Canvas and learn how you can get help. Each week, you'll find new lessons and homework for the week. And this is how you can get in contact with me. Over here, you'll find the menu. You can find the modules, your grades. If the class has Zoom meetings, you'll see this. If you need to request a laptop or internet to have that at home, you can click here. There's online tutoring. And also, if we have time in this class, we'll do student name pronunciations. So you can record yourself and your classmates can learn how to pronounce your name. Okay, I'm going to go to the modules. This is the orientation. It takes you to the home page again. If you're using a mobile device, I put it in the orientation because the home page doesn't show up first. read this and then click next. This is the video you're watching right now that explains how to find your way around Canvas. And then if you click next, it keeps on going through all the lessons. You can also click previous to go back. Sometimes I like to click on modules so I can see the whole section. After you finish, you can close it or open it again. Every week, you'll see an overview page. This page explains what you're learning this week, the homework. This is your to-do list, all the things you need to do this week. And if the class is in person, there'll be materials here, or if it's a fully online class, you'll find a video that it goes over the homework. Click next, and then you'll start the homework, activities, and lessons. So this week we're learning how to complete a survey. So you'll click here and complete the survey. Maybe there's a section about the syllabus. So you just follow the directions, read, click next. Sometimes there might be quizzes. If there's a quiz, click take the quiz, and then answer the questions. And then when you're done, click submit quiz. So just like that, you'll click, just like that, you'll click, you can go back to the modules, click on the different lessons, and and at the end, you'll always find a wrap-up. So this summarizes all the things you learned for the week and what's to come next week. So that's for this class. If you want to exit, you can go back to the dashboard, and then you can find maybe your other classes or do homework for your other classes. This here over here is called the global navigation. You can this is your account, so you can change your settings, or maybe you want to add a picture. You could upload a picture here or take a picture. These are the dashboard, what we just saw with the cards. Oh, I forgot to mention, Canvas also has this nice thing here on the right, like to do. So then this kind of shows you what your homework is for the week. There's the courses, calendar. In the calendar, you can also see when your homework is due. Inbox, this is where you can send me a message or send your classmates a message. And Studio is where you can record videos. Although the to-do list and the calendar shows your homework, the best place to look for your homework is in the week overview, right here. So always make sure at the beginning of every week you maybe take a picture or write it down so that you know exactly what to do for the week. Okay, if you have any questions or need any help, please let me know, and I look forward to working with you on Canvas. Bye!